Building an online store can be complicated. Expensive monthly fees, complicated setups, endless headaches. What if you could launch your store today for just $25 a month? Introducing Easy Store. Ready-to-use store in minutes. No setup fees, no commissions. 7-day free trial, risk-free. And here's the best part. Bonus. We include a 24/7 AI chatbot to help you turn visitors into paying customers. Want us to build everything for you? Pay a one-time $299 and we'll set up your entire store. Design, branding, products, and custom domain, all done for you. Then, just $25 a month to keep selling and growing. Stop paying $79 a month to other platforms. Start selling smarter with Easy Store today. On screen, Get Started Now button graphic. Your business deserves an easy start.